Welcome to Begin with 15. Our friends at Begin, our favorite learning company, had challenged us to do something new in just 15 minutes. Do you think we can do it?
Yes!
I think it's a yes.
All right, so today we're gonna get creative. We're gonna see how many ways we can have fun with just this bed sheet. You think we can do it?
Yeah!
All right, let's begin!
I'm gonna make a dance floor.
Pull it that way, pull it that way. Pull it, pull it.
Josiah's trying to dance in the middle of the floor right now.
All right.
All right, don't pull it too far. Pull it back there where you. Pull it back here. Back. Whoa.
All right, we got a dance floor.
Lily. All right, Josiah's turn. All right, Lily, come on. Let's say Josiah. All right, Mommy's gonna make a boat, and there's gonna be sharks in the water.
Sharks in the water!
Are you ready? Yes? All right, so Mommy and Daddy are gonna hold the ends, and you and Lily are gonna get in the boat, and we're gonna quickly get away from the sharks, okay? So you gotta get in the boat,
All aboard! Get in the boat, get in the boat.
Everybody's in the boat? Are you ready?
All right.
All right. Oh no, what's that? I see a shark in the water, and he's gonna get you. We gotta go.
All right, ready? Get your binoculars out. Get your binoculars out.
We're gonna try to see if we can find any sharks. Choo-choo. Sorry. Ready? Get your binocular out, Lily.
Get your binocular out, come on.
Or telescope.
Let's see, what do you see?
What do you see?
I see a shark!
Oh.
I see a tiny little anglerfish.
Whoa.
I see a shark!
Go!
Go faster.
Row, the captain goes in the water. Row the boat in the morning. What's that? A wave. I shake the boat in the morning. Sharks and waves. Sharks and waves. Sharks and waves. Go in the morning.
All right, and for my idea, since it's such a beautiful day outside, we're gonna make a picnic. Ready? Wait.
Ooh, what do you have?
All right, for starters, we got some veggies and blue cheese, and then I have sun butter and jelly sandwiches cut into different shapes.
Ooh.
Ready? All right, let's start our picnic.
Ooh, look at our spread, Josiah. All right, sit down.
One more.
Do you think Daddy can make it Mommy's mouth? Look, Josiah.
Third time's the charm.
Oh! You missed again.
Daddy, just stop. Who put the shark? Josiah, well, you did it the wrong way. It's supposed to be the things first.
Who would have thought we would have this much fun with just a regular bed sheet? Guys, you're able to entertain your kids anywhere you go, whether it's a doctor's office or even a car ride. As long as you use your imagination and creativity, you can have fun anywhere.
All right, so now it's your guys' turn. Pick something totally random at home. See if you can fill up 15 minutes with a creative activity. Grown-ups, if you want to learn how to fill up your 15 minutes, get some inspiration, go to beginlearning.com/15 minutes.
And don't forget to share your learning moments on social media and hashtag #BeginWith15. See you later.
This was the best picnic ever!